Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Happy Harvest Homestead. I was doing rabbit chores and noticing a whole bunch of loose fur spread all over the cage. I know that Acrobat is due to give birth soon, hopefully. So I want to check her nest box and see what's going on. You guys! Look what I found! It's a baby bunny! There are 8 beautiful babies in there. Some are black, some are spotted, some look more like a chocolatey color, some of them look like they could be some chestnut babies. Now I'm going to put the nest back. She pulled a whole bunch of fur and nested a whole bunch, like a proper mother should. The only problem is that Constance is aggravating her. So I'm thinking I might move her into a different cage so that poor mama can have some peace and quiet with her new babies. The only place available to move Constance into is with these little white rabbits. They've been here for 3.5 weeks, so they're pretty much all out of quarantine. So far, everything is going amazingly. She pulled a ton of fur and used a ton of hay in her nest. She built a beautiful nest. All her babies look healthy and they're fat and looks like she fed them all. All she has to do now is just keep up the good work. We're not going to get too excited because everything could go very badly, very easily, especially with the bad luck we've been having with litters for the past year or so. But hopefully that time is behind us and we have a successful litter with lots of good babies and Acrobat is a good mom. We'll just have to wait and see. Good morning, rabbit lovers. Today is day 2 of the baby rabbits being born. They are now officially 1 day old. We are going to check on them, but as we walk over there, I want to apologize for the camera malfunctions I've been experiencing. The zoom on my camera is going in and out of its own accord. I have no control over it, and I think I found a way to fix it temporarily. So hopefully this day of filming will be more smooth than yesterday. Okay, let's check the babies. Ooh, it looks like some more fur was pulled. There's a ton in here. That's a really good sign. It's in the teens though, teens or 20s. They're alive! Ooh, and they're full. Look at that belly. Are you being a good mommy, Acrobat? Thank you. 1, 2, full belly, yes. 3, full belly. Alright. They've separated into 2 separate piles, which is okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Aren't they all so cute? Look at them wiggle. Okay, we have 3 spotted ones, and then 4, no, I think we have 3, 3, and 3. 3 spotted ones, 3 ones that are black on the back and pink on the belly, then 3 solid black ones. Okay, cover you up. Oh, it feels so good to be able to check on baby bunnies again. I've really missed that. Now, I've done all the animal chores already, but before I go inside, Acrobat needs to be rebred. Technically, we could and kind of should have done it yesterday, the same day she gave birth, because that's how they do it naturally in the wild, but we were super busy yesterday, so today is just going to have to do. It'll probably be just fine, though. Just so you all are aware, I'm planning on showing the full breeding, so if that's something you don't want to see, then just skip this part. So as y'all can see, I chose to go with Sterling again instead of Sylvan or Angora buck, or trying Onyx. Onyx is possibly sterile and Sylvan is an Angora, and while I could have tried a different buck with this second breeding, obviously Sterling had such great success last time that at this point I'm more interested on replicating the success than experimenting with new things. Gonna get a good fall off? Yeah, no. You can see Acrobat's not in the right position. Her head is up and her ears are up, but her bum is down, so that's good. There's no fall off yet, so no successful breeding. Oakley's very curious about these new animals. And we're back to running. Oh, hello, Miss Lila. You gonna come join me as we watch the breeding? Yeah, pretty girl. Thank you for being so nice. Hooray! Success! Yay, so technically she is now bred. Hopefully we get a few more though. Okay, so they've been going at this for a while. Sterling has tried several times. He succeeded only once, and now Acrobat's just running away from him. She doesn't really want to be bred anymore. So we're gonna stop breeding today. Maybe I'll try tomorrow, but we're not really getting anywhere at this point, so. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you. There you go, Sterling. Now you're back with your doe, Zuzu. Zuzu's due to have babies too pretty soon, so that's exciting. You're a good daddy. Bye, bunnies. See you later.